Welcome to my site, Learn English Basics, Elementary Methods for Beginners 1, a step-by-step diamond English approach. Enjoy your present. I'm Anivar Hernandez, considered one of the best English professors in Latin America, founder both of INGLÉS y Domicilio and my business team, author, a methodology developer for non-native English-speaking people, licensed coach, and extremely passionate about teaching. The main goals for this course are to identify step-by-step how the infinitive of a verb is structured in the English language, what the subject pronouns are and what do you use them for, the simple present tense of verbs different from to be, affirmative and negative conjugations of verbs different from to be, yes, no questions and answers basics of verbs different from to be, the most common greetings and farewells, how to introduce yourself, some useful expressions used in an online class, and a lot more. Sign up now and build your English basics forever.